So in today's demo, we're going to be taking a look at how you can impress your clients and your bottom line so you can focus on design. I'm going to show you how with one link, you can send your clients one or more proposals or invoices for them to pay at their convenience. Even better, Design Manager's online payment system now allows you to pass the processing fee directly to your clients. So as a designer, especially in today's world, it's so important that you get paid in the most efficient, reliable, and safest way possible. And that's why Design Manager has made accepting ACH bank transfer payments so simple. So let's take a look at how an ACH payment works through Design Manager, from sending out that link to completing the payment. So we'll start by sending out a proposal we'd like to collect deposit on. And here I have a wool pillow awaiting client approval on my proposal window. So we'll quickly tag that on the left here and then select the send button on the bottom of this window. So that's going to send the document as well as a payment link directly to your client. That client email address is going to populate from your client list and glossaries. You can add an additional recipient there. You can add a message if you'd like, and then go ahead and send that off. We'll receive that message that the email has been sent successfully, and we'll also see that sent status update for us. So now let's go ahead and open the client's email. So here we will find a link to view the documents. When your client selects that link, the document and the payment options will open in their default web browser. So we're now viewing that enhanced mobile user interface. And here your client can review the document on the right side here, as well as tag one or multiple documents. So we now have that option to send the client multiple proposals or invoices or both at once through the review and send feature. And they have the option to tag the documents that they're interested in paying at that time. So they would then select the continue to payment, where they would choose their payment method. And as mentioned, we're going to go ahead and run a bank transfer first. So here we can review our fees and totals. And then we'll go ahead and select Pay Now. Your client would then search and select their bank, enter their online banking info, and submit. They then select the desired account and choose Continue. So they'll receive an instant confirmation, as we see here, and you'll receive an email that the payment was received. So just like that, the client has moved forward and you've received payment instantly. So let's go ahead and move forward with the process and have the client pay the remaining balance with a credit card. I'm going to quickly head to our accounting tab and generate an invoice for our pillow here. All right, so just like we saw on our proposal window, on that existing invoice window, we'll tag our document on the left and select send. And now let's get back to that client email and pull open that link. Again, selecting continue to payment. And this time we're going to go ahead and select the credit card option from the menu. So your client will enter their card information right on this window. And choose Pay Now. And just like that, you have an immediate confirmation on both sides. All right, so now we're going to take a step back, getting back into Design Manager, and we're going to take a look at some of these settings and setup associated with taking online payments through Design Manager. So once you have your Stripe account connected, it's good practice to review your online payment settings and ensure things are configured correctly in the software itself. So first, we'll want to allow Stripe to show as an available payment option. This will be automated for new accounts, but it's good to cover for all of our current users. So first, we're going to head to our AR tab. So I'm going to File, Company Information and Settings, and selecting the AR. And here we'll select the green plus sign to add a record. I'm going to go ahead and edit our existing one here. And the type on here will be Stripe. The checking account is whatever account you want those payments to be received to. And then you'll use the drop-down menu on the data collection field to select Stripe. So we'll select OK to save those settings. And then on the same window, we'll find the option to select which payments we'd like to allow. So using that dropdown, you can choose to have ACH and credit card, just ACH, just credit card, and as well as the option to charge fees to the clients. So this will pass through the fees associated with processing ACH and credit card payments directly to your client. So you'll notice if I quickly jump back to our existing invoice window, we do have an invoice that was automatically generated for those fees for those two payments that we just processed. So back here below that charge fee to client option, you'll notice there's also a taxable option here. So that's if applicable, a sales category will need to be created to direct those fees into the associated account. And now we're going to select OK here to save all of those settings, and we're going to jump back over to File. And this time we'll select Online Payment Settings. Here you'll use that drop-down menu to select Stripe as the payment type that online payments are posted to. And you'll also want to make sure that both allow deposit payments on proposals as well as allow payments on invoices are tagged off if desired. And then finally, just input the status email or email addresses that you would like to receive those confirmations at. So you're now ready to get paid faster and easier so you can focus on what matters to you.